Writing a how-to guide is the same busy work every time. Screenshot, crop, draw an arrow, number it, repeat. StepGrab does all of that for you. You run through the task once, and every click becomes a step. StepGrab lives in your Mac's menu bar, the row of icons at the top of the screen. You pick a window, click through your task, and it hands you a finished guide, ready to share. You're forever explaining how something works, onboarding a hire, a support reply, or walking a parent through their laptop. That used to mean building the guide by hand. StepGrab is for anyone who has to show someone how. You pick a window and hit start, and the menu bar icon turns red. From then on, every mouse click sets off 3 things at once. StepGrab freezes a clean shot of just that window. No desktop, no clutter. It drops a numbered arrow right where you clicked, in your color and size. And it writes that step's caption from what you clicked on your Mac. One click becomes one finished step. The clever part? It even catches a menu or a drop-down at the exact moment your click closes it, the frame a plain screenshot would miss. Then it builds the whole guide on your machine and saves it as a printable PDF, a looping clip, or a full video. What's nice is it all happens on your own Mac. The screenshots and the finished guide never get uploaded, and you don't need an account. Capturing steps this way isn't new, but today's tools are browser add-ons, stuck inside the browser and charging for every person on your team. StepGrab grabs any app on your Mac, runs offline, and you pay once. For pure web work, a free add-on still competes. Everywhere else, this wins. StepGrab is a Mac app from the App Store, made by a developer named Julian. There's a free tier, no account needed. Pro is about $13 a year, or $45 once to own it. Next time you need to show someone how, don't screenshot a thing. Run through it once, and you've got your guide.